Hello guys, how are you today? It's been a while since I did another video. So today I'm doing an unboxing of a new hookah. So I got the StarBuzz Carbine. It's kind of funny because it looks bigger. I mean, it is bigger in the pictures and stuff, but the box is so tiny, so it's kind of weird. But it's compact because it has those freaking legs. So let's dive into it and see what it is. Alright guys, so we got the box here. I got the zombie green to kind of match my car. Pretty cool color, I think. They have a bunch of other colors like red, black, Arctic bluish thing. So it's pretty cool. So we open it up. I think this is the tray. It slides out. It's a tray. Kind of looks like Captain America. Little this thing, but that's in black, so that's pretty cool. It's metal. I feel like it's aluminum because it kind of feels light and kind of not cheap, but kind of light. Next we open this up. We got the stem probably, we got the glass part here. I'll go over everything, and then we got this, whatever that is. Oh, it comes with a bowl too? Wow. I didn't know it comes with a bowl. That's pretty good. It actually comes with like a vortex kind of bowl. But it feels really cheap. I mean, I don't expect them to put a high quality bowl in here, but looks pretty cool. This is the remote for the lighting, which will go over it. Let me take this out and see. Ooh, there are heavy things in there. So this thing, that's the grommet. So I'm assuming this is not designed to come out, or maybe it is designed to come out. We're gonna take it out anyways to just see what it is, but that's metal. The grommet was on top of that, so we're gonna leave that with the bowl because I'm assuming it has to do with the bowl. We got more parts here, so we got this stem part. It has a diffuser on it, which is kind of, I think they're going with a theme for like, it's like an M16, M15. I don't know, that's weird. It kind of, you spin it out. So I guess that's the diffuser. I'll look into that more. We got a kitty. She doesn't come in the box though. Here, kitty, go away. Another piece here. So that is probably for the hose, I'm assuming. Here's the handle. Pretty good. It's metal as well. The hose is kind of normal hose, silicone hose. And this thing too here, which I don't know what this is. Oh, these are the stand. So these are the legs, pretty good. Got the legs, and then you got the tongues, which match the color too. Pretty good quality. I mean, overall it's actually a really good quality hookah. Everything metal, everything colored. Put that away. We got this, which is the stem part. Very good quality. The valve is built in. There's a little plastic ball in there that moves, so it's kind of built in. You can still open it up. This is the port for the hose, and like I said, I think they're going for kind of like a gun type of feel. And then this is the stem part, or not the stem part, the glass part, the base, and this pivots so that if you're sharing hookah, it doesn't fall or anything. Oh wow, it's a very heavy base. I like it. It has the LEDs inside. How do you get to that? Do you just unscrew the bottom? I'm assuming you unscrew the bottom. They're two different pieces. Before fully assembling it, I just wanted to show you guys this as well. So this is the glass fully opened, I guess, so you can actually clean it. I wasn't able to get it apart more than this, but maybe you're able to, I don't know. But basically this is the pivoting part that, you know, when you put your hose on there, it will spin around so that it won't fall. And then this whole thing goes in there, screws on there, and then this lighting effect goes on the bottom and then gets screwed in there with this. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna put it all together and then we'll take a look at it. Alright guys, I'm back with the hookah fully built. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. So yeah, this rotates 360 degrees right here. So if you're sharing your hookah or whatever, this will go round. It's a very, very, very solid build. The only complaint I might have, it's the bowl. It's pretty shitty, so that would be one thing. Another thing is down here, this, so this comes out, and this little thing, as you can see, it's already coming off a little bit. So it has a little O-ring. It's a plastic O-ring, not the best quality. So as you screw it on and unscrew it, it kind of starts eating away. So it's not really the best quality. But everything else is pretty solid. This rotates, like I said, so that's pretty revolutionary. Pretty good tray, it's a good size. Yeah, I mean, it's a very, very solid hookah. That's the lighting effect. You gotta put batteries in there. This is a diffuser down here. Great, it's a great hookah. I can't wait to smoke it and tell you guys how it does. I got this from Hookah John, so make sure you guys go check him out. I'm gonna put a link down in the description for you guys so you can go check out his website. As of yesterday, June 5th, 2018, for a week, he's gonna give you guys 4 free StarBuzz flavors. So make sure you go check him out. Great guy, great discounts, great products. So thank you guys for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and share. It means a lot for me. Have a nice day.